of that concept of procurement and business planning, and how the two things really come together to enable you to essentially make the case for something, a change, an improvement within the workplace. And as you all know, we should be in a constant strive for continuous improvement. There's a management term called Kaizen, which really emphasizes this and captures this. And so lots of small improvements can build to make a much larger improvement overall. So in this series of videos, I'll talk a little bit about the person that you're making the case to, so the audience, and what types of things you might want to think about when you're considering the audience, what a proposal might look like, so what are the specific characteristics of that proposal, and it's a little bit different maybe to the kind of proposals you might be used to from a project proposal or something like that. What elements come into the plan, so that actual, the specific plan and case that you have, and then also the types of proposals that you might encounter. So for example, the internal and external, where you might be looking at something in an internal funding source, or else you might be looking outside for some other funding source. A little bit more about the internal proposals, and then a bit about procurement and the rules and regulations and the experiences that you could expect to have as part of procurement. And then really kind of finalizing with the most important steps. So of all of those things, of lots of rules, regulations, etc., what is really the key thing that you should be thinking about when you're actually considering developing a business plan for an activity, and also how you can make that case as effectively as possible.